Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 10 function in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic for both Lightning as well as a classic user interface. But before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for you all. So let's see. Here we have launched our Salesforce admin course training, and this course is for both beginner as well as advanced experts. If you don't have any knowledge about Salesforce till now, this course is already created for you. And this course consists of 9 plus modules with 21 plus or HD videos, and you will also get a certification after the completion of this course. We have covered each and everything about Salesforce, from its CRM to Salesforce with its release cycle to its environment. We have also let up cover about the Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic interface, how you can navigate from both the interfaces, and what are some of the extra features that are available in Salesforce Lightning. We also cover up about the user management and the security features, like how you can create a user, handle the user password, and delete the user accounts. Moreover, how you can grant the hierarchies access, restrict the permission for the field level entry or a app object and the record also. We also let you know about the manual sharing rules and cover up all the concept of the apps creation to objects creation to the tab setup in both Lightning as well as a classic interface. We also let you know about the each field type that are available in Salesforce with some of the formula and the functions. If we move to the advanced topic, we have covered up the buttons, links, and the action pages and the list view, so you can easily manage the global actions and the specific actions kind in the Salesforce. We also let you know about the schema builder to process builder and the validation rule, so you can handle the data integrity, execute the process, and do the automations. We also let you know about the reports and dashboards, so you can visualize the data insights in your screen or do the calculations. If you are dealing up with the lots of a bulk data, there is no need to worry. We also let you know about the data import wizard and the data loader. So this course is for everyone. If you are expert or a beginner, we have covered up each and every topic for both Lightning as well as a classic interface, and we are also giving you the opportunity for cracking up the interviews and getting the jobs in MNC. So this time we are giving you a 50% discount for the early birds. So if you want to join this course, go to the description and click on the link and do purchase it now. You are not getting this such kind of a content anywhere else on such price. So we are giving a 50% of discount with lifetime access and the course material too. So let's now move to our topic back, that is the tan function. So firstly, let's understand what does we mean by the tan function. So tan is one of the mathematical function that is used to return the tangent of the number where the number is given in the radians. If we talk about its syntax, the syntax is given on your screen. Here you have to pass up the number or the value or the field or the formula to the tan function. So let's see how we can use this tan function in Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So here I open my Salesforce account, and by default you can see that we are not on the main home setup page of the Lightning. For this you need to click on the gear icon, and from here you need to click on the setup. Now you are on a page of a home setup in a Salesforce Lightning experience, and on the top of the navigation bar we have a object manager. You need to click on that and choose the object on which you want to apply that function. So let's take an example of the account. So here I am taking the example of the account and I click on that. Now from this page you need to click on the fields and relationship option from the left side and click on the new button on the right side. Once you click on that, it will take you to the page where you need to choose up the field type that you want to store up your information. So I am choosing up the formula as we are working up with the functions and creating up the formula. Now it's time to enter the field label that is visible to the user regarding that particular field that you are going to create. So I am naming it as a growth rate. So next thing, here we have a field name that get automatically populated and used as a API name. Now it's time to choose up the formula return type. I choose it as a number, and by default its decimal place is set to 2, and I click on the next button. Once I click on a next, it asks me to enter the formula using the tan function. So for this you need to click on the all function categories. From here you need to choose up the maths, and now you need to scroll down and move yourself to the tan. So here I get a tan as a function. I click on it, and here I get a button of insert selected function. Once I click on that, the function get added to the formula fields. So now I am going to add it down. So let's see. So here I entered up my formula. So to adding up this field, I use this insert field button and to add it, and for adding up the operator I use the insert operator button given on the top right. To check it whether it is correct or not, I click on this check syntax button. If there is a no error, it gives me a message. If you want to add description or help text, you can also do that, and after that you need to click on the next button to move to the next step. Now in this next step you have to choose up the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this field for the field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profile if you don't add it to the field level security. To add it down, you need to click on the checkboxes given in the visible column. Now you need to click on the next button to proceed to the next step, where you need to select the page layout that should include this field, and this field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout. Moreover, if the field will not be appeared on any page if you don't select it down. So here by default all the page layout are selected, and you need to click on the save button. Once I click on a save, it successfully created up the formula field with the function name as a tan and create up the formula according to my requirement. Now to check whether it is working correctly or not, here I have a app launcher given on the left side on the 9 dots. So here you need to search for the account as a object. So here I search for the accounts and I get it down. Once I get it, I click on that and it will take me to the accounts object. Now you can check it either by creating a new record or by editing the existing one. I am going to edit the existing one, so I click on that, move to its detail section, and here I am going to edit down its field. So here I need to firstly enter the industry growth rate. So here I randomly put up any value and click on the save button. Once I click on a save, here is an error like a duplicate record found. A record with the same account name already exists. So I have to do the corrections because here something is applied. So here I change the account name and again click on a save button. Once I click on a save, you can see that it automatically calculated the growth rate according to the industry growth rate value I have entered out. So with this we have successfully learned how to use the tan function in Salesforce Lightning. Now to learn how you can use the tan function in Salesforce Classic, you need to shift yourself to the Classic first. For this I click on my profile and click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic. Once I click on that, it will take me to the Classic interface of a Salesforce, and to redirect myself to the setup, I click on the setup option given on the top. Once I click on that, it will take me to the setup page of a Classic, and now I scroll down myself to the build section, and here I get a customize as a drop down. I click on that and here I get an order as an object. So here is the order. I expand it down and click on a field as I am going to create it for this. Now I scroll down and here I have a new as a button in order custom feeds and relationship section. Once I click, it's asked me to choose the formula field type or any field type you want to require. So I am going to select up the formula because I am going to use up the function. As my information is using up the function, I select the formula one and click on the next button. Now it's time to choose up the field label or enter the field label as per your requirement. So here I entered it as a discount and the field name get automatically populated. So here I selected the formula return type as a number and click on the next as a button to move to the next step. Now I again move to the all function categories given on the right side, choose the math as a section or a category and choose a tan as a function by scrolling down and click on the insert selected function, and here the function get added to the formula editor. Now I enter the function as per my requirement with the formula. So here I have entered all such things with the fields and the operators and each and everything, and click on the check syntax button to check how it's working on. So it is working fine. I can add a description and help text if you want, and even you can handle the blank fields. So now I click on the next button to proceed to the next step, where I need to set up the profile or choose up the profile for setting the field level security or giving the edit access for the particular field. Now I click on the next step after setting up all such thing and choose the page layout on which I want to include that particular field. Here I have only one, so I keep it checked and click on the save button. Once I click on a save, it successfully created up my formula field with the function tan. Now to check how it's working on, I click on the order as an object. Now I am going to edit the already existing one. I click on that, and here I am moving myself to the discount percentage because this field is required for calculating that. Here I am entering up the value and click on the save button. Once I click on a save, it calculated the discount value as a 1.33 on the basis of the discount percentage and the tan function. So with this, we have successfully learned up how you can use the tan function in both Lightning as well as a classic user interface in Salesforce. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.